How to fix Discord bot not working. To fix a Discord bot that is not working, first you have to determine whether you are a developer of the bot or a server administrator using a third-party bot. So most issues are caused by insufficient permissions, the bot being offline or missing intent in a developer's portal. So what you want to do is here you could simply go ahead and check the bot status. If the bot appears offline in a member list, its host services is likely down. You cannot fix this yourself. You must wait for a developer to bring it back online as well. Next, you could also verify permission. Ensure bot has view channel, send message, and read message history permission in the specific channels where you are using. And if you're using slash command, ensure you're using application command. So this way you should be able to fix. Likewise, you could also go to Discord developer portal, select your applications and then go to the bot section as well. And you could also scroll down to a privilege gateway intent and enable message content as well. If nothing works out, simply close the Discord app, hold on to your side button and then restart your device. That should also definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.